How to remove a payment method from Uber Eats website. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and now on the search bar, search for ubereats.com and press enter. Once you are on this web page, you want to click on the sign up option to create a new account if you don't already have one. If you do, click on the login option to log into your account. From here, you want to enter your phone number or email and click on continue, or you can choose any other options below such as Google, Apple, Facebook to log into your account. I'm going to select my Google account, click on continue, and after entering all the credentials, you will be signed into your account. Once you are signed in, you want to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select the option of wallet. Once you do, you're going to find all of your saved payment methods here. If you want to remove any of your payment methods such as PayPal or credit or debit card, select that payment method and then click on the delete option next to it. After the confirmation, your payment method will be removed. However, sometimes you might face some issue while removing your payment method, and that is because if you wish to delete your only payment method, you first have to add a new one. Click on add payment method for that, and from here you can choose any of the payment methods that you want to add. Let's say you want to add PayPal account, so click on the PayPal option. Then over here from the bottom, you want to select the PayPal option. Then the PayPal website is going to be redirected. Here you simply have to log into your account first, so go ahead and enter your email ID or your mobile number, then click on the next option. After that, enter your password and then log into your PayPal account. If PayPal is not the method you want to add, you can also add credit or debit card. For that, click on credit or debit card. Then you will have to enter some of the information such as card number, expiration date, security code, country, and then nickname, but this is the optional step. Then click on the add card option and then another payment method is going to be added. After that, you will be able to delete the other payment method that you weren't able to delete before. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.